The world is moving at a very rapid pace, and people along with it. With innovation in every field, one can see how digital arena is shaping up. Things are picking up speed, and there is no looking back. Unlike traditional media, Mango Prime aims at sharing diverse content through mobile and social streams. We take on the challenge in the digital arena to present the content ranging from social and community issues, food, makeup, lifestyle, and entertainment in the most imaginative and innovative way. We will bring to light the daily struggles, achievement, and success stories of American immigrants in the most imaginative and innovative way. You will see a league of content creators from diverse backgrounds and different experiences. Let me introduce you to my team.
Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone.
Hello.
Assalamualaikum. Hi. Hi.
Assalamualaikum.
Hi.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मैं हूं निदा फातिमा समीर। मेरे साथ आप माजी में खबरें तो बहुत देख चुके हैं। रोज टेलीविजन पर आप हुक्मरानों के वादे भी देखते हैं, सियासतदानों की शोबदेबाजियां भी देखते हैं और सेलिब्रिटीज पर भी आपने खूब नजर रखी हुई है। खैर, उन्हें तो मैं भी देखती हूँ, लेकिन मैं आपके लिए कुछ मुख्तलिफ लाना चाह रही हूँ। मैं आपको मिलवाना चाह रही हूँ हमारे माशरे के उन सुपर हीरो से जो बगैर किसी मेकअप शेकअप के, जो बगैर किसी शोबदेबाजी, किसी आसरे, किसी से कुछ मांगे हुए एक सोसाइटी में एक चेंज ला रहे हैं। ये हमारे अनसंग हीरोज हैं, यही हमारे सुपर हीरोज हैं, यही हमारे सुपर मैंगोज हैं। Wait, did I just give you the name of my segment? Yes, हम आपको दिखाएंगे सुपर मैंगोज में, बल्कि आपकी मुलाकात करवाएंगे हमारे माशरे के सुपर हीरोज से और देखेंगे कि वो किस तरह इस सोसाइटी में चेंज ला रहे हैं और क्या चीज़ है जो उन्हें ड्राइव करती है और क्या है उनकी स्टोरी।
Adab everyone, my name is Nadeem Ehsan. By way of an introduction, I am a physician, a professional photographer, and a part-time musician and writer with an abiding interest in materia non-medica such as history, poetry, humor, philosophy, and sports. At the Mango Lounge, we'll be talking about things of general interest in a no-holds-barred style as they pertain especially to the South Asian experience. Do please subscribe to our channel and come along for the ride. I promise it'll be fun. Surur.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm a physician by day and a mom by day and night. I grew up in Pakistan and moved here about 17 years ago to the US. I'm part of Mango Lounge. The purpose of this is to have discussions, yes, and about some topics that we tend to avoid talking about, and others that will help highlight, the achievements and the struggles, as well as the questions that come up in the minds of the wide diaspora of the Desi community here in the US. I would love to bring to the show certain things that I feel passionate about. Some of those do include dance. I learned Bharatanatyam from Shima Karmani for many years. I am passionate about poetry. Some of my favorite poets are Ghalib and Iqbal. And amongst the more contemporary ones is, of course, Faiz Ahmad Faiz, Amrita Pritam. And there's quite a list, but I'll stop there.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Natasha Sayed and I'm really, really excited to be joining the Mango Prime team. I am based out of the Bay Area. I've been out here for about 5 years and I actually have a background in engineering. I've been working in tech for about 7 years now and I work in digital health. And earlier this year, I actually started a talk show called Sham Ki Chai where I interview Pakistanis doing really cool things. I am super, super excited to be part of Mango Prime. You're going to catch me in Mango Lounge, you're going to catch me in Liberty Square, and I really look forward to the conversations we're going to have. Thank you.
This temporary arrangement of elements talking to you is called Masood. मेरा temperament poetry और philosophy का है. मेरी सोच एक scientist, एक physicist की है और मेरा शोबा medicine है. medicine में वो field जो पोइट्री और फिलॉसफी के करीब तरीन है, यानी नफ्सियात। मुझे खूबसूरत चीज़ें अच्छी लगती थी। अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कुछ उम्र, कुछ मैच्योरिटी के साथ अच्छी चीज़ों की खूबसूरती नज़र आने लगी है। मेरी फेवरेट बुक्स में एक किताब है खलील जिब्रान साहब की द प्रॉफिट और एक किताब है फैज़ अहमद फैज़ साहब की नुस्ख़ा वफ़ा। मैं मैंगो लाउंज में आपके सामने इंटरेस्टिंग, मीनिंगफुल, थॉट प्रोवोकिंग आइडियाज़ पेश करने की कोशिश करूँगा।
Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my name is Shabana Chaudhry. I was born in the USA, but I was interestingly sent back to Pakistan to live with my nani and raised there for quite a while. And that is probably what makes me very desi. I'm actually a pharmacist, and I have been involved in vaccinating thousands of people against COVID, so very proud to do that. I was a makeup artist for 15 years. I am part of Tamarind Society. We promote the arts and talent from Pakistan and local. I am part of the Mango Lounge team, which is for discussions, which I think it's great that I'm part of because I'm known by my friends to be bold, blunt. I love discussions, especially the topics that people like to brush under the rug. I will be brushing all that stuff out of the rug and not worry about what people think about our topics. We need to bring stuff out.
Hello everyone, my name is Usman.
And I'm Amna.
We are very excited to be part of Mango Prime. So Amna, what comes to your mind when you think about food?
Pizza and burgers.
Oh, no. Biryani and jarga.
We both love food, and food is a source of entertainment for us.
And together we both are going to explore different cafes, restaurants, and eateries.
We are so excited to bring you all on our food adventures.
Hi everyone, my name is Amina Khan. I will be hosting the foodie segment of the channel along with my sister Fatima Khan. And we will be finding you the best halal restaurants in the tri-state area. And remember, when it's on Mango Prime TV, you know it's sweet and fresh.
Assalamu alaikum and hello. My name is Fatima Khan. Please join us in our food journey throughout the tri-state area, covering New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania. We will be exploring diverse cuisines from across the world.
Hi, my name is Fosia Genjwa. My segments will be featured on Liberty Square, where we will talk about civic and community engagement and topics that affect your day-to-day lives. I'm a councilwoman and the first Pakistani elected official in South Jersey. I look forward to engaging with you on all of our future videos and content.
Hello everyone, this is Annie Anjum. I am going to be one of your co-content creators in Liberty Square. Liberty Square is the new segment on Mango Prime where we're going to be talking about everything that involves you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Aisha Mehdi, and I'll be providing my insights on Mango Prime's Liberty Square. Every month, I will provide wide-ranging analysis on issues and trends impacting the world each day.
Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Areej Khalid. I will be starting my journey as one of the members of Style Stories, and we hope to bring forward a lot of fun, informative, and fun content that will make you guys smile at the end of the day. So stay tuned and follow us.
Welcome. My name is Nazila Khan. Originally, I'm a chemist by profession. When I went back to skincare, I ended up loving it more than chemistry, honestly. We'll be giving an overview of not just ways to make yourself beautiful, but also inner beauty.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabah Omar and I'm excited to be part of the Mango Prime team. I'll be contributing in their Style Stories segment. I'm a certified makeup artist with a degree in fashion. Looking forward to providing you with some fun fashion and makeup stories.
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mary Unisi and I'm very happy to be a part of this community channel Mango Prime. I've been a makeup artist for the past 18 years. I graduated from Elegance International School of Professional Makeup in Hollywood, LA. I also specialize in microblading, for which I graduated from Freebase Academy. I am looking forward to share my knowledge and experience by bringing you guys little videos on fashion, makeup, and microblading.
Hello everyone, my name is Tabinda. You can call me Tabs. I am reporting to you from Lahore, my favorite city. I will be covering all about the fashion trends here, what's in, what's not, what's trending, everything and anything got to do with lifestyle.
Hi everyone, my name is Sadia Naseem and I'll be doing the Style Stories segment on Mango Prime. I'm an absolute fashion lover. I've always been drawn to fashion since I was young. I love to dress up, create unique, interesting fusion modest looks, which is one of my strongest skills. I'm definitely looking forward to helping you and giving you advice on new fashion trends out there and some style tips.
Hi everyone, I'm Fahim. I'm 3 years old. I love pizza.
Hi, my name is Isa and I am part of the Mango Prime team and I am doing a segment called TikTok. We are going to be watching, creating, making, reacting to TikToks and I hope that it'll be a lot of fun, and I really hope that you guys will have as much fun watching them as I do making them.
Hi everyone, my name is Sophie and I'm a part of the Mango Prime community. I'm also one of the co-hosts of the new segment TikTok Show along with Asra and Isa. We will also be making some of our own that we might be featuring at the end of a video that just match the trends at the time.
Hi everyone, my name is Asra and I'm so grateful I get to be part of this team and I can't wait to keep on creating more content.